Okay, let's talk about a topic of collision avoidance systems on motorcycles. I was reading on Cycle World magazine's website that it may be that Kawasaki is coming out with a collision avoidance system on the H2, and the article read that some other companies are working on it as well. Now, here are my thoughts. Take it for what it's worth. I'm not an engineer. I know my wife's car has the system on it where it can avoid collisions because it's based off of the camera system on the front of the car. And when that thing kicks in, I've seen some people online get caught off guard by it. Now, riding a motorcycle, if you're caught off guard on a motorcycle, you're going to fall over. You know, you don't have anything holding you in or on the bike, right? So let's say you're riding one-handed, you know, just relax, cruising along, and something darts out in front of you, bike hits the brakes, it's going to throw you. Of course, the counter argument is if something runs out in front of you, you're going to hit it either way. So kind of mixed feelings. I could see it being helpful, like for adaptive cruise control for long trips, you know, because I like doing long trips on the bike, and being able to pace off the vehicle in front of me is, you know, kind of nice. I'm not constantly throttle up, throttle down, adjust this, adjust that. You know, again, mixed feelings about whether or not it's a good thing they come out with that. So, well, that's the future, though. I guess as long as you can turn it off. You know, kind of like Goldwing had the one model that came out that had airbag, which, again, pros and cons. Pro was that the airbag went off and kept you from getting tangled up in the bike. Con is, well, airbag went off. So, I mean, the bike's going to be totaled either way, I guess. Traffic coming on here. So there are my thoughts on the collision avoidance system. Take it for what it's worth. You know, I'm not an expert. Just somebody who rides about 15 to 20,000 miles a year. I'm waiting to get outside this speed zone here.